Welcome to Weekly Zap News, the show where we talk about the latest in tech, AI, and software. I'm your host, Alex Zapp. OpenAI is now eyeing the next big leap, superintelligence. This isn't just smarter AI, it's AI that could outthink humanity.
This is interesting.
The company is assembling a team to tackle the challenges of creating and controlling these ultra-smart systems. Their goal? To ensure the future AI overlords don't see us as an old operating system to uninstall. It's like training a velociraptor to be vegan. You hope for salad days, but you're always watching the claws. If superintelligence becomes a reality, maybe it can finally explain why my fantasy football team keeps losing. Qualcomm is spicing up the tech world by bringing its Snapdragon X chips to more budget-friendly Windows laptops and desktops. These chips promise faster performance, longer battery life, and a smoother experience, all without breaking the bank. Think of it as gourmet tech on a fast food budget. With Snapdragon's heat-efficient design, your laptop will stay cool while you binge-watch The Great British Bake Off or conquer spreadsheets like a tech-savvy Paul Hollywood.
I'm sure it will.
If these chips were in a movie, they'd star as the quiet genius who saves the day. Move over, Good Will Hunting. Avataar has unveiled a shiny new tool that lets brands create AI-generated videos for their products. Now, marketing teams can skip the endless shoots and let AI handle the glamour shots. From spinning sneakers to zoomed-in zipper close-ups, it's like giving your product a Hollywood debut, minus the paparazzi. This tech could revolutionize how brands showcase items, turning product videos into the Super Bowl halftime show of e-commerce.
And the biggest game of them all is the Super Bowl!
If this AI can create travel-themed ads, it might convince my luggage to show up in the same city as me for once. Samsung's latest TVs have a delicious twist. They can now find recipes for dishes featured in your favorite shows.
Bon appetit!
Watching a chef whip up a souffle on screen? Your TV's got the recipe ready faster than you can say, "Where's the whisk?" It's like having a sous chef built into your binge-watching setup. This tech might just make couch potatoes into culinary maestros. Though let's be honest, popcorn still reigns supreme. With this tech, the weather forecast could soon recommend recipes. Cloudy with a chance of lasagna. Prep your pasta. NVIDIA is taking AI to a whole new level with Project Digits, a personal AI computer designed to be your digital bestie. It promises to handle tasks like organizing files, managing your schedule, and maybe even reminding you to water your plants.
Yes!
Think of it as a personal assistant without the awkward coffee order mishaps. With this pocket powerhouse, your tech dreams are one step closer to reality, and hopefully one step further from Skynet.
Monstrous indifference. I like that.
If this AI can keep my to-do list on track, maybe it can also explain why my fantasy football team is a constant underdog story. May Mobility just unveiled its latest creation, an electric autonomous minibus at CES 2025. This futuristic ride is all about clean energy and hands-free cruising. No driver needed, just a destination. It's like a high-tech party bus, except the DJ is an algorithm, and it never takes requests. With this minibus, commuting might finally feel less like a chore and more like a sci-fi movie cameo. Let's just hope the AI doesn't reroute the bus to Area 51 for research purposes. Ultrahuman has entered the luxury tech game with a lineup of smart rings crafted from 18K gold and platinum.
Very chic.
These high-end wearables track your health while making your Fitbit look like it shops at the clearance rack. Who says you can't monitor your heart rate in style? It's wearable tech that screams, I care about my health, but I care about my drip even more.
This jacket is Armani, this vest is Versace, these pants are Cerruti. I mean, I could go on.
If this ring tracked stress, it might overload just watching me try to assemble IKEA furniture. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Be happy and let's zap.